Hi there, it's Chef Anthony Serrano with Bull Outdoor Products, and welcome to the latest installment of our grilling masterclass. Today, I'm going to show you how to grill up one of my favorite foods on a stick, chicken satay that's been marinated in a lovely ginger marinade, and we're going to be serving that with a peanut sauce that's out of this world. Best thing is, we'll be grilling it all on our Bull gas grill. So, what do you say we get grilling and have some fun? Thanks so much for watching the latest installment of our grilling masterclass. For more videos like this, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And for more recipes and to find out more about Bull Outdoor Products, visit us at www.bullbbq.com. And until next time, stay safe, stay strong, and keep on grilling.